Just wanted to make a comment about the load trail dump trailer. It's 16 feet long, 16,000 pound GVW rated, and I believe the dump angle is 55 degrees, I think. I've had previous dump trailers that did not have as steep a dump angle, and that's a pain in the butt because you wind up having to shovel stuff out at times. So having a steep dump angle is worth the expense, if it is an expense. And I don't think this isn't even all the way up right now. So just something to consider. Here it is with the trailer. The dump, not quite all the way up, but the dirt is slid out. One thing I should point out is if I was just leaving the trailer on the tractor and someone else was loading, for example, I was using the excavator to load, I'd leave the hitch locked and I'd run my cord to run the dump up to the tractor seat. So theoretically I wouldn't have to get off. I tend to get off anyway to kind of look things over. But I could unspool this, run it up, unspool that, run it up to the tractor, and everything would work. But like I said, I kind of like to get off and look at things a little bit. There's the trailer at full dump angle. It wasn't quite all the way up, but like I said, it's having a steep dump angle is worth a lot, so that your material will always slide out. Those of you that have had to shovel material out of the trailer know what I'm talking about. See you, bye. Another item I keep forgetting to mention or post-scripting here is this trailer has power down as well as power up. Again, I've had trailers without it, and once you get it, you'll never go without it. You get something heavy on the tailgate and it does not have power down, the dump won't come down, and you'll have to somehow get whatever you have on the tailgate off. So having power down is really, really handy.